Becoming a millionaire in today's economy can be a bit of a challenge. But wait, do you want to turn your dreams into reality? How about I tell you all the game-changing strategies that'll pave the path to millionaire status? From coming up with the right business idea to selecting the perfect approach. Here's everything you need to know about how to become a millionaire. So sit back and watch till the end, because I have a lot of valuable lessons to share with you today. Now, before we get started, let me make this clear. There is no easy way to print cash. You are going to have to put in tons of time and effort, and you guessed it, money once you get far enough into your journey. Almost every passive money-making method requires you to put one of these three things into the business before it bears fruit. So make sure that you are completely committed to your efforts of becoming a millionaire and are willing to go the extra mile for it. Now that you have the right mindset and you understand what's to come once you get started, let's talk about the first key factor of becoming a millionaire and making money online. Pick a business you love. From Jennifer Hyman and Jennifer Fleiss to Mark Zuckerberg, there are so many examples out there that have proved the statement. Do what you love and you'll never work another day in your life to be true. It is absolutely crucial that when you start out on your journey to $1 million, you pick the right business. After all, you are committing to growing and expanding a business, which will take up a big portion of your life from now on. So it should be something you're passionate about. Don't pick a business just because it has the most potential to become $1 million enterprise. Pick the business that you love and then grow it into $1 million enterprise through your efforts despite the odds. You are bound to find more success this way. That's because you will feel more comfortable pouring your heart and soul into a business that you enjoy working on instead of one that you are just doing for the money. A good rule of thumb is that if you can imagine yourself doing a business for a year straight without pay and without losing your enthusiasm for it, then that's your calling. So stick with it. Do one thing and do it right. A mistake most failed aspiring entrepreneurs make is doing too many things at once. No doubt, as you start your business, you will have to juggle a lot of tasks. But your main focus should be just one solution that you provide for your customers. The key is that the one thing you do it better than anybody out there. If you do that, people will come to you instead of your competitors since you are providing more value. As Alex Catoni has also said,
one thing done really well over and over again for the right customer can make you $1 million.
This is a tried and tested method. I mean, look at any successful business venture like WhatsApp, Gorilla Glue, or Michelin. They all specialize in one thing and dominate the competition. What I'm trying to say here is go for quality over quantity. Instead of trying to stretch yourself thin, trying to manage 3 or 4 business ventures badly, just start with one and provide the absolute best service you are capable of. Improve and repeat. Once you have gotten started on the business you love, you need to constantly improve. Improve what you ask. You need to improve your habits, expertise, process, business practices, and the product you provide any chance you get. All these are key factors directly linked to your business's success. What this will all do is make your product/service more valuable, attracting more customers. And that's the recipe for business growth in a nutshell. Take companies like Nokia and Yahoo as examples of companies that did not improve and innovate, and so they have failed. Don't be like them. Instead, improve like Apple did and Amazon did to reach greater heights. This drive will help evolve your business until it turns into $1 million enterprise. Before we get to the next point, be sure to like this video if you find it interesting. Also, subscribe for more content like this. Let's get back to it. Invest. Now, another thing that will drive the growth of your business is investment. Invest as much time, effort, and money as reasonable into your business and its growth. Take the example of Elon Musk. He didn't just stick with one business and instead kept investing in other endeavors. Even right now, we often see him become a part of new ventures and sometimes even startups. But I am not just talking about investing money into the business. While that is super important, you must also invest in yourself. You are the most vital asset of your business. Without your well-being, it's all for nothing. So invest time, effort, and money in yourself to keep advancing to the next level. Stay healthy, learn new things, and keep improving. That's how you can ensure that you are always ready to take on any new challenge your business venture has to throw at you. patience and consistency. The most important thing that can help you earn $1 million online is patience and consistency. A lot of people quit soon after starting a business because they did not get the response they were expecting, or they start putting in less effort because of that. But if you wish to earn $1 million, you must stay consistent through the thick and thin of it. Your business will see growth, and maybe it will flatline at some point. You may struggle to get enough audience. That's all part of the journey. It can take a long time to build up your business to a point where it is making thousands of dollars consistently, let alone millions. So be patient and keep putting in the same amount of work and effort consistently into growing your business. Don't get fixated on the numbers and stay patient. If the product or service you are providing is good, if you have made it the best you can, then the customers will come in time. But if you quit early on just because you did not see the growth you were expecting, then you will never reach $1 million mark. So it is vital that you stay consistent in the efforts and time that you give your business venture. That is, if you wish for it to succeed and someday be worth millions. Focus on the process. The last tip I have for you that will help you succeed on your $1 million journey is that you must focus on the process, not the results. Let me explain. So many people get hyper fixated on what success will get them, whether that be a big house, a lot of money, an expensive car, whatever it may be. Those are just outcomes of a successful business. If you just focus on that and make every decision based on an I must earn $1 million mindset, you won't get anywhere. You must stay unattached to the outcome. Instead, focus on the process of making $1 million itself. And that process is the business, the product, or the service you are offering. Your decision should be based on a how can I improve my business or my service mindset. If you can do that, then you will be best equipped to grow your business and earn millions. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. Let me know how your business venture is going in the comments. Are you en route to becoming a millionaire? I'd love to hear what you have to say. Please do like and subscribe for more content like this as well. Until next time, goodbye.